In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images for Etsy in Canva. If you sell on Etsy, you know clean, consistent images can make or break a listing. Resizing properly keeps your products looking sharp and professional across thumbnails, product pages, and mobile devices. Let's walk through the exact process in Canva, and I'll share a few tips along the way to help you avoid common pitfalls. First, open your design in the Canva editor. Make sure you are on the design you actually want to use for your Etsy listing. It helps to give your file a clear name so you don't mix it up with other versions as you work. Next, look at the top menu bar and click the Resize and Magic Switch button. This is where all the sizing magic happens. If you don't immediately see it, make sure your browser window is maximized so the top toolbar shows the full set of options. Now, enter your custom size. For Etsy, 2 Great Go, 2s are 2700 by 2020. 5 pixels for a 4:3 ratio or 3000 by 3000 pixels for a perfect square. The 4:3 option is especially friendly for Etsy thumbnails and listing images. While the square size works well for uniform shop branding or social style visuals. Double-check that your units are set to pixels, since that gives you the most control for screen clarity. When you are ready, choose whether to resize this design or create a copy. If you want to preserve your original layout exactly as it is, choose the option that makes a new copy before resizing. That way you can experiment freely without losing your starting point. After the resize, take a careful look at your canvas. Elements can shift as the aspect ratio changes, so manually drag and recenter your product until it fits the new frame perfectly. Use Canva's alignment guides to keep everything balanced and zoom into fine. Tune edges and small text. Make sure nothing important is getting cropped at the sides or too close to the border. For Etsy, it's smart to keep the product centered with a little breathing room around it so it appears well, framed in thumbnails and on different screens. If your background extends to the edges, check for consistent spacing and that any shadows or reflections still look natural in the new size. That's it. Thanks for watching.